So what is abstraction? Abstraction in computer programming, it's a well-known technique. It's a way of analyzing a problem by removing the background details and focusing on the main concept. So this helps reducing complexity and allows efficient software design. So you can imagine having a complex problem to solve with a computer program. If you focus on all the details of this problem, it will be harder for you to think of the solution. However, if you remove the details and focus on the core problem, it might be more easy for you to start visualizing the solution. And then you can add the other aspects of the problem to the solution. So this is an example of abstraction in C# programming language. As you can see, I have defined an abstract class that is a vehicle class, and then I created a derived class based on the abstract class. So I have created a car that derives from vehicle. So in this class, now I have implemented more detailed stuff. For example, I have created a new function that it overrides the existing function in my abstract class, that is the height function. And this way I implemented something using abstraction. So first I created the abstract class. I didn't really know, let's say, what this class should really contain. And then I created the derived class and added more implementation code. So let's see this simple abstraction demo in C# in order to get a better understanding of what abstraction is. So this is the first demo of the course. I will be showing abstraction in C#. This is my development environment, that is Microsoft Visual Studio. So I have created a C# console application. So as you can see, this is my abstract class where I don't really define many things. I just call it vehicle and I create an abstract function that is the height function that returns an integer. So the next step is to create a derived class based on the abstract class. So as you can see, I have created the car class, which is derived from the vehicle class. So in this derived class, I created a new version of the height function. So I defined again the function and included more code in it. So now I can run this program and I will create a new car class object and I will call the height function. The height function returns an integer. This integer is stored in this variable and I will be displaying the result of calling this function. So let's run our program. And as you can see, I get the result that is the car height 120 centimeters. This video is part of my online course, The Philosophy and Fundamentals of Computer Programming. Check the video description for enrolling to the course with a major discount. Thank you for watching this video.